Sorry guys, my camera just broke. Oh, now I've got a new one. So we can't show the one bullet. Can't see the one bullet. So we're gonna get the Xshot sniper rifle. Here. To reload. Do that. Now get any kind of bullet, like a nerf bullet or something. Real cheap. You can buy these on Amazon for about a whole pack of these for like £3. So I'll show you. Put that in, and the real cool way I like to show it to put this back up is this. Yeah. Now show that. Yeah, show the can. Go close to the can so it's like. Let me see. No, we're not showing the can. Yeah, let me see. Yes, thank you, Zane. I'll keep it like that for a minute.
What a miss.
What a miss.
I missed now.
I missed.
My turn.
Sorry guys, but I'm running out of battery. So I need to end the video. Bye. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.